The second one, I just completed it. This one took me 3 hours.
Reading satisfied. He said, and Jesus went about all cities and villages, preaching the gospel of the kingdom.
Can I pour your wine to the river of my name? Do you call my name? I love putting this on my phone. Okay, now what for you?
So far, I had to remake one of my hats just so, because I don't like the outcome of the particular hat. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So it's the difference of that one before I remade it. So yesterday when I made it, I added like a dark brown border here. So I'm thinking of adding the colorful border, like something creamish, a cream-like border here. So I redid it, and this is the new outcome. I think this is better. That one I did yesterday was curving, just having this curve-like kind of feel, and I don't like it. I wanted it to stand firm like this. So I did another one. It's my foreign acrylic yarn. I got the foreign acrylic yarn on Temu, and I used it to make this pocket hat. So I'm going to use the second one to complete this border here, but this is what it looks like. This is where this looks. I like it flying. I don't want it curved. Chill. Take it with water. I'm good to go. I'm currently watching The Gardener on Netflix, and this film is really, really intense. Is mixed with is like all this mystery, crime mystery, and it's also a love film. But what I don't like about the film is the fact that the film is good, but the characters I don't like is the mother of the gardener that pretends as if she's trying to do right by her child, but she's actually the one that messed the boy's life up. I don't want to spoil the movie for you, but just go to Netflix and watch The Gardener. You understand what I mean by she's trying to do right by him. She's feeling like she's doing right by him, but she's messing the boy's life, and she has already messed the boy's life up. So she's even the root cause of the boy's problem. So just watch it and enjoy yourself. Even the person this evening, I am my husband is going to get it. So I just want to chill before he comes out. There's a new camera app I'm using that is helping me maximize my iPhone 8 camera because I currently use an iPhone 8 and it's helping me get a lot of benefits from my camera. And like this night filming, normally with my camera, I cannot really film in the night because it's not going to be very clear. This new camera app and is manageable. The night filming is okay. Guys, we just got back from where we went to buy that stuff. And people were so much there today. I don't like, I've told myself that I will no longer be going to that place on Sunday evenings. The crowd there is more. They almost gave me what I ordered versus what I got tonight. But God saved them and God saved them because they would have not gotten their money. But God just saved them and they just organized themselves and gave me what I ordered. So I told you guys, I don't want to spoil that movie for you guys, but just go and watch it. It didn't end the way I wanted it to. I thought that the boy was going to do something to his mom, but he ended up not doing anything to her. And she succeeded in taking him back to the state he was. Go and watch it. Good morning guys. So this is after 9 to 10 in the morning and I've started crocheting already. I want to do like a crossbody bag first. I don't have a crochet crossbody bag, so that's what I want to do. And I'm hungry, but I also do not want to eat much. I've been trying to create like a content calendar for myself, but I've been successful with that of YouTube, but I've not been successful with that of TikTok because yesterday I tried creating content and on TikTok I tried batch creating TikTok content. My mic, the battery became low, so that video is on hold and I think I'm going to start it again, like redo it again. And currently there is no light and the weather is really not bright because of it has been raining for 2 days now, but I could like it will rain and stop. So today is still not bright enough. I'm going to try my best. Maybe I might go to the car to do it if I'm able. If I'm not able, then I'm going to still leave it for the night, in the night again, to see if they will restore the light so I can do it. So go nowhere, stay tuned, enjoy the vlog.